Hey everyone, what if I told you that the next breakthrough in research could come from you? From a group of curious minds collaborating, sharing skills, and pushing boundaries together. Well, that's exactly what we are building here. Welcome to QSOR, the Curie Society for Research. I am incredibly excited to share this journey with you because we are not just another research society. We are something completely different. We are a community where curiosity meets collaboration, where students teach students, and where every single question you have leads to innovation and discovery. Our tagline says it all: cultivating curiosity, sharing skills, advancing research. And that's not just fancy words on paper, that's our promise to you and to every member who joins our community. Let me tell you what makes QSOL completely unique, because I believe this is going to change how we think about research and learning in our college. First, we believe wholeheartedly in peer to peer learning. You know, that skill you have been practicing for months, that coding language that you have mastered, that research technique that you have figured out. Share it, and that topic you are desperately curious about. Don't know where to start? I guarantee someone in our community can teach you. We are breaking down the traditional barriers where only professors teach and students just listen. Here we are, all teachers, and we are all students. Second, research does not have to be this intimidating, lonely journey that so many people think it is. When we do it together, everything changes. From understanding what research actually means, to identifying your interest, to writing your first paper, to eventually publishing in indexed journals, we have got your back at every step. You are never alone in this process. And this is what I am most passionate about. We are building a genuine community. This isn't about individual success, where you compete against everyone else. This is about growing together, supporting each other, celebrating each other's victories, and making research accessible to absolutely everyone, regardless of your background or knowledge that you have currently. Now let me paint you a picture of what this actually looks like in practice. Imagine walking into a workshop where a second year student is teaching data analysis to a group that includes both first year students and final year students. Everyone is learning something new. Yeah, you are bound to spot couples. We are members from completely different departments that are collaborating on interdisciplinary projects that none of them could have tackled alone. We are organizing guest lectures from industry experts, hand-on experience, workshops that teach you practical skills, research seminars where you can present your work and get valuable feedback, and collaborative projects that bridge the gap between different fields of study. But more than that, we are creating a space where you can develop not just as a researcher but as a person who can communicate, teach, and inspire others. I want to be completely honest with you. This journey we are starting is not going to be easy. Marie Curie, our inspiration and namesake, once said, "I was taught that the way of progress was neither swift nor easy." She was absolutely right. But here's what she also showed us. When you are passionate about something, when you have people who believe in you, when you are part of a community that supports your growth, that difficult journey becomes an adventure worth taking. And that's exactly what we are offering you. An adventure, a chance to be part of something bigger than yourself, an opportunity to not just consume knowledge, but to create it, share it, and use it to make a real difference. So whether you are interested in artificial intelligence, biotechnology, environmental science, mathematics, social sciences, or any field that sparks your curiosity, we want you here. Not in this park, of course. We want you here in our community, where beginners who have not written a paper or someone who have already published work. We all want you here. Whether you are confident in speaking in groups or you prefer working behind the scenes, we want you here. This is your invitation to join something special, to be a part of a community that will challenge you, support you, and help you discover just how capable you really are. For this Subscribe to this channel. We are going to document the entire journey together. You will see our research adventures, our skill sharing sessions, our community growth, our failures, our successes. Because at QSOR, we don't just research, we live it, we share it, and we absolutely love it. The future of research is collaborative, it's inclusive, and it starts with communities like ours. Are you ready to be a part of it?